you have no for power with. When you strap, you have no for walk with. When you're back against the wall and you're stranded, who not there for you, no.
Hi, mommy.
Hi. We got that one dozen success, but not pretty bad.
Did you? Oh, for people?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You're prepared. Hi, Winnie.
Hi, my darling.
How are you?
I'm great.
Hi, Winnie. Long time, eh? You alright? We're here.
Yeah,
This is my view.
Yeah, man.
Hello. Guys, Pencil's trying to twin out with me. Like, look at my tights and look at mommy tights. So why should do that? Why should do that? Watch out.
You see who she get the bottom from?
Whatever, mommy. Mommy bottom don't cook like my bottom. I keep one until I say no she me get the bottom from. I get my bottom from my father. My father me get my bottom from. My father body cock. Your body broad. Okay? Hello? Okay? Anyway, yeah. This is the fit.
Yeah,
Me and Babe just got here, so we're waiting for Gotcha. Hey, better flat that boy, good day. Yes, good day. Yes, good girl. Mommy, I like that blouse. Yeah, but I'm having a cup of sorrel. Seeing Mommy have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups of 5 bottles over there. 2 of them are going back to the States. 1 for me, 1 for your baby father. And I'm drinking what I can while I'm here. I don't want to leave her with nothing. I don't want to leave her with nothing, you guys. I'm going to drink the syrup. I'm going to eat the cake. Yeah.
I'm a baby for the pickle.
She make pickle for your baby father. Yeah.
Cake.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, good day. You can't have baby father is but. But keep on saying it. I'm going to stop saying it.
I'll be waiting.
Now record you. You're recording her? Yes. I'm putting on black, mommy. Oh my God! No behavior. What? Baby party night. After baby after night.
I will stand this. This is in the partner.
Oh, hi.
I got Winston, the wicked partner.
Winston, which are we pleased to Alice?
Come with me.
Pleased to meet you.
Come with me.
Hey!
And your body. Boy.
I don't care what you are, roll there.
Where's the mommy?
But good up that time.
Good up, madam.
The good up that time. We don't like it die.
On the retreat, she called me over and she said to me, I wouldn't wait.
No. Oh my God.
Don't pull up the tonight. I'm dying. That don't mean they're not in love. That's gangster. He go out in the night before. Happy birthday,
Come on and rock me.
I ain't get mad, big enough.
Guys, they're trying to get me drunk. Guys, I don't do shots. They're trying to get me drunk, you guys. Tequila is harsh liquor, man. Whew. Mommy and her sexy red light.
So you want to look the cat's pajamas. And so far, Babby, we've tried on 19 shirts in Fandango.
For old time's sake. Oh, I felt like I'm going down into the bottom of my belly. Bottom of my belly.
No, you check direct line too. Good boy. Like him dead.
Whew.
He turn up and knock your door. What do you want me to do? Look at him and tell him.
Why do you love me?
When? Lord Jesus.
Why do you love me? When you know I can't.
When a real man come here and you make him know.
What?
Lord Jesus, play back his song.
Just left So and Dizzy, guys. Exquisite restaurant and bar. It was a good time. Alright guys, so I am at Cheyenne and Taylor's. I just came to get a hair dryer and hairspray and stuff because I need to wash this wig. This party I'm going to is tomorrow, but this hair needs to be washed. Like, I need to wash it and like reapply it. So I'm gonna wash it tonight, and I need to dry it, blow dry it, and then straighten it and curl it. So I'm ready for this party tomorrow. Yeah. I did this application myself, you guys. I'm actually quite proud of myself. Very proud of myself. Oh, and that last one I paid like $200, I think, to something for. And, you know.
Guys, highly recommend Udi's. Please purchase.
Oh, wait a minute.
I'm not being sponsored. But I highly suggest you purchase an Udi.
Alright guys, so I actually co-signed that. I actually saw those on Instagram and I'm like, you know what, I want to get one of those. They look so comfortable for when you're like just lounging around on the couch. Oh my god, I thought it would be longer though. But when
it's because I'm tall. Everyone who does this in the ads is a midget. It's like
an Asian.
No, but yeah.
Is it super warm?
Oh my gosh, put it on.
Let me feel it.
It's so thick.
Wow.
Feel the arms.
Oh my god, and it closes here so there's no air in there. Yeah, guys.
Purchase so many colors. You can get there in two of them at the same time, so it's cheaper.
Yeah.
They come in packs.
I love it.
So I got it to match my bed.
Does Cheyenne have one?
Nope.
You would be the one to get one.
I asked for it for Christmas. Because my nickname for my friend is Udi. Her name's Edie. But she found this on Instagram. She sent it to me. I was like,
yeah, I saw it on Instagram too.
so yeah.
Actually, it's you on call.
It's so cute. He's having a seizure at the top, you guys.
We didn't use him last year because Mum was like, oh, he doesn't work.
Oh, really?
And then she didn't put batteries in him, so obviously he's not going to work.
Oh my gosh. Very cute. Very cute. You guys are so Swedish.
Whoa.
This whole house is Swedish. Where is the Jamaican? Where? Can I see some Jamaican, please?
Yes, you may.
Can I see some Jamaican?
Yeah.
Swedish. Look at the Christmas tree, you guys. Swedish flags everywhere. I'm like, where are the Jamaican flags? Where? Oh, a photo?
Yeah.
That's all you have of Jamaica? Look at Swedish trolls, Swedish donkeys.
The music that plays in this house is Jamaican.
Oh, okay, so we have the music, you guys. Guys, I'm texting with Mommy on the phone. My mom is hilarious. So I'm texting her because we're going out later. So I told her what time she needs to be ready. And guys, my mouth is dry. I haven't had breakfast yet. I'm hungry. Anyway, so I told her what time she needs to be ready. And then she's like, oh, make sure that my umbrella is still in your car. I said, your umbrella's in my car, and you would have had it last night if you never room road. Because last night I went to her house to go pick up a blow dryer or something like that, and she wasn't there. So that was a wasted trip. Her response was, when you and your man are room road, I say nothing to you, long me live life. This woman is hilarious, you guys. She cracks me up every time. Anyway, you guys, I am in a cafe. About to get an omelet and some toast and some coffee because I'm hungry. Hungry, starved. And then I'm gonna go to the West End and get my shoes for later because I have my dress, but I don't have my shoes, and I might not have my pocketbook depending on what shoes I find. So yeah, lots to do today.
Tell you me dog, no trust none of them because all of them fraud. Sell out your freedom unless I then charge.